Hello and welcome. Before we dive into the core of today's message, I want you to do something for me. I want you to make a promise to yourself, a declaration that you're ready to change your life. In the comments below, right now, I want you to type 3 simple words: I deserve financial peace. Do it. Type it. Let's make this the rallying cry of our movement. This isn't just a video. This is a turning point. And if you're ready to reclaim your power, if you're ready to build a life of financial freedom, hit that like button. Let's send a signal to the universe that we're ready for more. For years, you've probably felt it, that nagging feeling that you're stuck on a treadmill, working harder and harder, but getting nowhere. You trade your time for money. You trade your physical labor for a paycheck. And every month it feels like you're starting over again. You're exhausted, you're worried, and you're tired of seeing a future that looks a lot like your present. I've been there. I've felt that same ache, that same worry. My parents worked tirelessly their entire lives, and they always told me the same thing: work hard and you'll be fine. And while there's nothing wrong with hard work, I learned something crucial. Hard work isn't the whole story. As the great investor Robert Kiyosaki said, it's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep and how hard it works for you. So let me ask you a question, a deep, honest question. Have you ever felt like you're on a sinking ship, desperately bailing water with a small bucket, while a perfectly good life raft is sitting right next to you? That life raft is the financial market. And today I'm going to show you how to get in it. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building lasting wealth. It's about moving from a life of labor to a life where your money works for you. Phase 1, the mindset shift, escaping the labor trap. The first step in this journey isn't about stocks, bonds, or real estate. It's about your mind. We have to deprogram ourselves from the idea that the only way to earn money is through physical labor. Most of us were raised with this belief. We were taught to be good workers, not good owners. Think about it. A laborer's income is tied directly to their time and effort. If you stop working, the money stops. An owner's income, however, is tied to the assets they own. Those assets, a business, a stock portfolio, or a piece of property, work around the clock, generating income even while they sleep. I want you to train your mind to see opportunities everywhere. This is a crucial skill. The world is filled with people willing to pay you to solve their problems. Instead of asking, "What job can I get?" start asking, "What problems can I solve for others?" This is the core of entrepreneurship. So let's start with a new rule. From now on, you are a problem solver first and a worker second. If you're getting value from this video and want to see more content like this, please hit the like button and smash the subscribe button. It means the world to me, and it really helps the channel grow. I'm on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers, and with your support, I know we can get there. Now that you've liked and subscribed, let's continue with our discussion. Phase 2, from laborer to investor, your first steps into the market. Now let's talk about the practical steps. Moving from labor to the financial market isn't a single leap. It's a series of strategic steps. The number 1 rule is to start small. Don't think you need thousands of dollars to begin. You can start with as little as $100. The goal is to build the habit, not to get rich overnight. This is what I want you to focus on. Stop trading time for money. This is the foundational principle. Your greatest asset is your time. If you can't save time, save money. And if you can't save money, at least save some of your physical energy. A simple way to do this is to automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer of just $20 a week from your checking account to a separate savings or investment account. Just $20. You won't even miss it. Educate yourself. Don't jump in blindly. You wouldn't drive a car without knowing how to operate it. So why would you invest in something you don't understand? There are countless free resources online. Read books by people like Benjamin Graham and Warren Buffett. Buffett's advice is simple. Never invest in a business you cannot understand. Start there. Learn the basics of what a stock is, what a bond is, and what an index fund is. Start investing in what you know. The easiest way to begin is by investing in a company you use and understand. Do you love your coffee from a specific company? Do you use a particular type of technology every day? Start there. This isn't just about making money. It's about building a connection to your investments. It makes the journey more personal and less intimidating. As Andrew Carnegie once said, the man who acquires the ability to take full possession of his own mind may take possession of anything else to which he is justly entitled. Phase 3. The power of compounding. Making your money work for you. This is where the magic happens. The concept of compounding. This is the secret of the rich, and it's surprisingly simple. Compounding is earning returns on your returns. It's your money making more money. Imagine you invest $100 today. A year from now that $100 grows to $110. The next year, you don't just earn a return on your original 100. You earn a return on the full $110. Over time, this small snowball of money turns into an avalanche. This is how fortunes are built. This is the very essence of moving from labor to the financial market. Your physical labor earns you the initial capital, and then your capital begins to work for you. As my friend and mentor once told me, you should be a farmer, not a hunter. A hunter eats what he kills today. A farmer plants seeds that feed him for a lifetime. And that, my friends, is what we're doing here. We're planting seeds. Moving from labor to the financial market isn't about becoming a millionaire overnight. It's about a fundamental shift in how you see the world and your place in it. It's about empowering yourself. It's about moving from a life of financial anxiety to a life of financial peace. So I have one more question for you. A question to carry with you. Will you choose to be a laborer for the rest of your life? Or will you choose to be an owner? The choice is yours. The tools are here. The knowledge is within your reach. You've already taken the first step by being here today. If this video moved you, helped you, or gave you hope, please type thank you in the comments. Give this video a like and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Let's build this community together. Let's create a movement of financially free individuals. Thank you for your time, and remember, you deserve financial peace. I'll see you in the next video.